In this video, we will see how to use the find and replace operator. Now here in this list, we are filtering this list using this input value, and what we type here is being highlighted and returned along with the tasks that it contains. So this is what we have built into this list filtering, where whatever we type in the input gets returned being highlighted. So this is something that we have done using the find and replace operator. So what we are doing is we are finding the value that we are typing here in this input, and then we are replacing it with a highlight on top of it, which helps us to clearly see of what we have provided and what we have found, and adds good UX on top of that. So how do we do this? For this, we'll go to our editor, and in the list on the field for the text that we have for the task name in the repeating group, we will be using condition on the name. The condition would be when the input task value is not empty. So this will only work when the input value is not empty. And then on this, we will attach a find and replace operator next to the parent group's name. So what we have done here is we are taking the task name value, and next to it, we are now searching for the input task value, which will go in the find box. So we are finding for the input task value within the task name, and then we are replacing that value with a highlight or a formatting on the text. So this will now search for the input task value within the task name's value, and then add an highlight over it and return to us. So this is how the find and replace operator gets applied and works. Now we'll go back to our page and see once again what we have already implemented, that whatever I type here is found and replaced with a highlight over it. So we can see whatever we have typed, which we have, let's say CO, and we can see that exact letters has been highlighted and returned around it being filtered in the list, and it highlights every value that has been typed into the input. So this was how find and replace can work in this one use case, and can be applied for many other use cases. So that's it for find and replace. To learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.